It is very common that our mind gets filled up with different thoughts and hesitations the moment we start thinking of doing a business. For example, I don't have enough money to start a business. What happens if I fail? I will end up in losing whatever I have. Doing a big business means doing a Herculean task. How will I manage? Etc. etc. Dreaming big is not wrong. In fact, it is what everyone should do. But to start a business from scratch, you have to start small. Hello everyone, my name is Subhajit Ganguly, and in this video I will discuss why starting small is a key to success to any business. I will also give 5 reasons behind it. So watch the video till the end.
You are watching the YouTube channel EduPro Train. Kindly subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon, like and share the video and comment below.
There is a saying that the man who moves the mountain begins by carrying away small stones. This is one of the famous quotes by Confucius, a Chinese philosopher and politician. And the success principle within this line explains that anyone can achieve anything they want if they are willing to put in small but consistent effort. You might have heard the name of the best-selling book, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. But do you know that this book started by a set of rules printed on a card which is larger than a postcard? Carnegie developed a short talk and named it How to Win Friends and Influence People. This short talk was well received and evolved into a course, and he required teaching materials for his course. And so Carnegie wrote down the rules into a card and sent it to his fellow students. And in the next session, he printed the rules on a larger card, then a leaflet, then a series of booklets, with each version expanding in size and scope. After 15 years of teaching, research and experimentation, he compiled all the rules for his course and became the book How to Win Friends and Influence People. This is how the best-selling book has been written, one step at a time. Remember how Apple started? It began with Steve Jobs and his friend Steve Wozniak launching their tech giant in Jobs' garage. The similar thing happened with Amazon. Jeff Bezos and his team started Amazon selling only books. However, Jeff Bezos had a big dream, and today Amazon is a multi-billion-dollar company. So everything you see started small. Every big success that you have heard of started as a series of small steps. Therefore, the key to success is to start small. Here I will give you 5 reasons why it is essential for you to commit to baby steps. Number 1. It takes less time and energy. As quoted by John Wooden, it is the little details that are vital. Little things make big things happen. It is always easier to start small. What do you think would be easier for you? Writing a 300-page book or 1,000 words per day? Of course, the answer is obvious. And because it is easier to start small, your resistance of doing the work will be lowered. You don't need too much of motivation or willpower to get your job done. This is why it is more vital to focus on small victories. If you accomplish 5 tasks a day, then you will get 5 victories. In a week, you will get 35 victories. In a month, you will get 140 victories, and consequently, in a year, 1,825 victories. Do you think that all these victories accumulate and make a huge impact in your life? Be sure they will. Number 2, it prevents uneasiness. Another key reason that you want to start small is that it prevents uneasiness. You see, one of the main reasons of people procrastinate and put things off until a later time is because of the pain of doing the work. They feel uneasy to do the work. They feel the pain, hence they choose to postpone and delay the work. However, when things are easy to do, you won't be feeling uneasiness. Actually, it is your psychology that comes into play. When you look at the entire project, then you feel that it is very difficult to accomplish and it will take a lot of time and energy. But if you divide the project into small actionable steps, then taking each step is much easier. You have to understand that every big thing once started small. When you want to do everything all at once, you feel powerless and uneasiness by the scale of the work involved. Number 3. It grows your confidence and motivation. Imagine that you have goals to pursue and you know what you need to do today, but you didn't do anything. What you feel at the end of the day? Guilty and not good, right? But if you stick to your plan and take action and make progress, then how you feel at the end of the day? Satisfied and motivated, right? Because you have done something, made progress, and slowly moving ahead to achieve your goal. That's what taking small steps will do for you. When you make progress, your confidence gets boosted up, your motivation level gets higher, and you get satisfied. As per the famous quotes of Tony Robbins, people who succeed have momentum. The more they succeed, the more they want to succeed, and the more they find a way to succeed. Similarly, when someone is failing, the tendency is to get on a downward spiral that can even become a self-fulfilling prophecy. This is why you make sure that you are building upward momentum. Take small action and make progress and build your momentum. The more momentum you build, the more powerful you become. Number 4. It gives you the ability to pivot. There is another essential reason to start small. It allows you to pivot. Let me give you an example. Imagine you want to write a book on weight loss, but you don't know what title to write. So, you start writing short articles with various titles across the same industry. Then you notice that one of your articles receives most engagements. People share the article, leave comments, and they say how much they love it. Then you decide to write a book based on this article. That's the pivot. In business, it is called MVP. MVP is the minimum viable product. It is the product that you put quickly into test to see whether it is working or not before you put your time and money on creating the actual product. When you start small, it allows you to pivot by getting immediate feedback from your actions. So, be not afraid of going slowly, be afraid of standing still. Number 5. It's simply the first step. No matter how big or small your goals or success you want, you simply have to take one small step at a time. You can't skip any steps. Just like if you want to lose weight through exercise, there is no way you can skip the exercise and get to the result directly. Taking small steps are necessary because there are no shortcuts to success. Therefore, dream big and start small. Be consistent, take baby steps, and eventually you will reach your destination. Thanks for watching this video.